Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Accenture started their sending for 1% who are all selected in second phase of 2022 batch. Before few days we may get a rejection mail or waiting list mail, like there's so many kind of different mails we may get. But 1% got a mail that congratulations, you are being shortlisted for system engineer associative role on Accenture technology. We are looking forward to welcoming to a Accenture family. So this is what they are mentioning here. And next one, we are on global term. Accenture is a global professional service company with leading capabilities and digital cloud security, combining unmatched experience and specialization skill across more than 400 industries. We offer strategy and consulting, technology and operation service. Accenture strong all provider world-large network, advanced technology and intelligent operation sentence. Even though we have a different business work on action, we excited to offer you an early onboarding opportunity in June and July 2022, and you can choose to join on Accenture operation business round. As a network operation associative, you will align to our customer support vertical, managing and essential thing and company benefit, profits, everything they are mentioning here about the role. The level of compensation offered will be remain the same. So same CTC will be, there will be the 4.5 they are mentioning here. In case you do like to join technology business, you need to wait for some time with start on onboarding process in September 2022. So they may get an opportunity in 2022. What you know more? Join our open house session on 28th where you can learn more about this opportunity and ask you questions anymore. So this is what they are mentioning. The 1% candidate got a mail that they are selected in the system associative application role. So how many of you get a like this mail? You can just comment me in the comment section. If the few of the candidate did not get a 99% rejection mail also, so the 1% student they may get a mail like this by day. So you just check your mail. If you have any doubt while in this onboarding process, you just comment me in the comment section. So the 1% candidate get a mail on selected mail. So just wait for a few days. Whether if you are not get a rejection mail, so still you are in a waiting list in a selected mail only. So hopefully if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.